Hey friends, I hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to show you a little bit of me using my scrapbook paper. I traced this feather using my guide to Bible journaling book, and once again it bled through on the other side. So I knew I was going to do it this time though, so it wasn't a mistake. It was the plan from the beginning. So I traced the feather and then a tiny bird. And I'm in the book of Matthew. And so I'm trying to keep this whole color scheme the same, like with the browns and greens and just more neutral tones, I guess you'd say. So I'm looking for a sticker to cover up, and then I'm going to put the scrapbook paper on top of that and then write a little bit of notes about John the Baptist. I've just realized I forgot to reference that whenever I was writing that, but it's okay. It's not John the disciple, it's John the Baptist that I was writing about. So now I'm using my letter cutter, my paper cutter, and I like to make the sides wavy and then use the little score part of the paper cutter so that it folds easily in a straight line. And this corner rounder, whatever you want to call it, I got that actually with my laminator. It came with it. And the laminator, I'm not sure if I have that linked, but I know that the paper cutter is linked in my link tree. These stickers are also linked, and the scrapbook paper, I believe. The complete guide to Bible journaling book that's over there on the right side. It's an amazing book, and you guys definitely need to go check it out. I am kind of obsessed with it. There's so many traceables and so many fun tips. It's crazy, but it's available on Amazon. So if you go to my link tree, you can find it there. Also, if you follow me on TikTok, I'm over there as well, and it's also in my TikTok shop. So if you guys wanted to follow me over there and then check it out, that would be awesome. I would greatly appreciate it. So yeah, now I'm just writing down the notes about John the Baptist, Matthew 11:7 through 15. And the app that I'm using, I get a lot of questions about it. It is Enduring Word, and I've been using this for several months. So if I can't find any good notes in one of my study Bibles, then I will use this app. It is free. There's no charge. All you do is you go down there to the bottom where it says commentary, and you select the book of the Bible that you're reading or studying, and then you click on the chapter, and then after that you can scroll or use the little arrows on the sides to get to whatever verse it is that you are wanting to learn about or go, dive deeper. So now I'm using my little glue/tape stick thing. I actually got this from TikTok shop, so I don't think it's linked in my link tree. I'm not sure if it's available on Amazon. I haven't checked to see that yet. I do love this thing though. It came actually in a pack of 4, and when you see me first set it down in the Bible, it does have a little give, so it's not going to rip the pages right out or, rip the pages. So you can see me, I put it down first, and then I see that it's crooked, so I lift it back up really quick, and it's kind of like a sticker. The glue stick, the tape stick, makes the paper like a sticker. So then I just try to flatten it out and get it to lay all nice and pretty. And there you go. That's it. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And I would love it if you would subscribe and hit that bell. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Love you. Bye.